You give my money. You give my money.
What's the worry you? What's the worry you? What's the worry you? What's the worry you? What's the worry you?
You give my money.
What's the worry you? Hi, my people, it's your girl again, Teminix, aka Fine Girl with the Fine Face, aka Depression Cure. Hey, yes, we are here again to cure another depression. So if you are depressed, send me a DM, Make I help you cure. I just a joke. So I'm here today with
Tony Adams.
Okay, Tony Adams. So guys, Tony Adams reached out to me about his fiancée. So Tony Adams, if you just talk, wetin make we dey here today.
I come report one matter about my fiancée wey I don suffer train with all my money. She don go school finish now. She don finish NYSC. She say she no go marry me again because I be disabled. And the thing dey pain me. After all my money, look at me. I no dey fit dey dress again because of her. I sacrifice everything wey I get for this girl. Now she don go NYSC. Imagine this world. He say he no go fit marry me again. So the matter I no understand wetin dey happen. I no now she know say I dey disabled.
Sorry. How long you don dey date this your girlfriend?
About 4-5 years now.
Yes. Now she say she no want you again.
Say you no want me, say I be disabled. After all my money don finish for her school, she just come back for NYSC. I put marriage matter for ground. She say she no fit marry disabled person.
Oh, babe, since it happen, so guys, the girl, because the matter, Tony Adams, we don dey talk about this matter since. I don dey talk to the girl, they talk to the girl for WhatsApp. So today now she don decide say she go come meet me for where we dey. So she dey come now. When she come, we go choose this matter. Make her know why she say she no wan marry this guy again. After this guy don spend all his savings for this girl. Guess if I don't want marry person, don't go shop person money. So guys, when we come back, we'll continue this video.
I don't understand, Tony. You just carry me, come from my house, come here. You dey okay at all?
You no get conscience. You no get conscience. When I dey tell you go to another one, you no get conscience. You okay now? They calculate am. Now you go pay me back.
Just look me well, look me. I want to marry a person like you before.
Oh, but person like me pay you for school. You no serious.
You be helper now.
I be helper. You no get born. My mama born you.
You no be my helper.
You be like when my mama pick you.
You tell me.
You no serious.
You tell me say you no wan marry. Na helper that you want.
I no talk like that. Who dey say person dey go school? You be my age. You be my sister.
Just give me chance.
You no fit.
Give me chance. I'm not
You no fit.
Not make you start
no
me here.
My way. You calm down. Shut your mouth. No fit.
Give me chance.
You no fit.
Leave me alone. Not by force.
You no
Not
fit.
by force.
You no fit.
Make her split her leg for her. The other one.
Wetin dey worry you?
The other one join for you. Wetin dey worry you?
You
Give
give me
me.
my money.
Give
me my money.
And your cup of tea.
You give my money. You give me my money.
Sir,
You give me my money. You give my money. You give my money. You give my money.
Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry you?
You give my money.
Wetin dey worry you?
My sister cannot dey here. You tell us say my sister cannot dey here. This one na part one.
At this point, my microphone went off. See, hey, this girl, I never see this kind of person once for my life. I know they feel they knock the girl. I know they feel they touch the girl. If I dey knock the girl, go back to say my hand they pain me. Like I never see this kind of girl. Just better say when she dey come and she came prepared, like they put like 50 evil spirits for her body. We be say they manifest. I never see this kind of girl also. She know they shake. She dey even they talk say I go knock man, not see go put to her, no go check her man, and me go tire. See, the girl be like, who gets evil spirits? And I just see, I just dey feel for this guy because if this guy marry this kind of girl for us, and the girl go beat the guy, he go use this guy eye to see pepper. See, she say nothing dey happen. Nothing dey happen. She not nothing go do, nothing. Na me go tire. See, I say na me go tire. Jesus. Never see this kind of person once so. Ah, God. This girl, she be like, who possess, honestly. But I just thank God the way everything till they happen, because now God just even reveal this. If not, this my client no go fit marry this girl. Thank God say everything even happen like this for this guy to just see the kind girl way in don't spend all him money for. But I just pray may God just come to this boy it's because this girl no be wife material at all. Honestly, if this girl married this, if these two people there, I was saying the girl go oppress the guy. She gets one kind, as I don't feel explain the kind strength where this girl get. She, you know, they feed it to her anything. You cannot get her down. She be like, I don't know, you know, they feed. Honestly, after this job, I no life for you. My legs can't they pain me. My waist down to my legs can't they pain me. See, you know, they feel they do the girl anything. She's as in at this point now, she did drag my hair. She did drag my hair. See, ah, she did drag my hair. I was even shouting like, "Leave my hair, leave my hair." She was dragging my hair, and she did drag my hair. This Ibe as to say my head won't pull. I was shouting like, "Leave my hair, leave my hair." I never see, I never see this kind thing
money.
also.
You
Honestly,
know,
my
but my
people,
sisters they
things
come
are
for you.
happening.
I say, you know,
They go.
you go pay that money.
They go.
You go pay me that money.
I'm not gonna give you this.
You go pay me that money.
Bro, share your slippers.
Even this week, na me buy am. Give me my week.
Bro, share your slippers. You see they go touch
Give me that week. Na me buy that week. Give me that week.
So at some point, the mic started working again. You see, ah, at this point now, the microphone went off again. Like, see, see both of us the drag. Like, see, I know almost the girl. She started even see she can't bite me like I was see she bites me. Jesus, almost the girl bites me.
West. Give me my
See,
week.
ah,
abeg. Give me my week. Na me buy this. Useless girl. Because of your name, fit do anything again. My job don stop. He say no one marry me. You useless girl.
Wear your slippers.
You useless girl.
Wear your slippers.
You go
You
pay me
never
that
see
money.
anything.
You go pay me that money. Useless girl. I want all my money times two.
Yara, we'll go enter motor.
Na me Tony.
Fly, come
You
on,
go see
I know
trouble.
fly.
Devil.
We'll go enter motor.
You go see trouble. You go see trouble. You go pay me that money wey I don spend for your head. I say you go school finish say you no wan marry me. Na now you know say I dey disabled. Useless girl. Useless girl. Useless girl. You go pay me that money.